Quick question. Have you ever wanted to export Claude Chat with all your text, formulas, tables, and code blocks into a clean document? This is Claude Exporter, a Claude Exporter Chrome extension that lets you export a Claude conversation in one click to Google Docs, Microsoft Word, PDF, or Notion. First, let's export the entire conversation to PDF. Now look at that. Everything comes out clean and organized. The text, the formulas, the tables, the code, all ready to save, share, or present. But what if you only want to export part of a Claude conversation? Just click the checkboxes and select the exact messages you want. Then export that selection in any format you want. For example, Claude to Notion. And here's the result in Notion. The selected Claude content is imported cleanly, so you can turn it into notes, docs, or your next workflow right away. And here's my favorite part. You can customize the font size, and text color before exporting. Click the gear icon. Go to Advanced. From here, you can choose the font style, change the font size, and change the text color. Then export it to Word and get a clean, editable document exactly the way you want. And there it is, a clean, editable Word document, styled exactly the way you set it up. If you use Gemini instead of Claude, there's a similar extension called Gemini Exporter that lets you export your chats just as easily.